friends, Running Kimono here. So the Dove deal this week over at Walgreens just got even better, where it's going to be free and a $4 moneymaker. I know a lot of you already went to the store, did the deal on Sunday or Monday or even Tuesday. And IBOTTA this morning, which is Wednesday, April the 26th, released a $2 cash back for each. Now, say you did the deal on Sunday, the 23rd, but you still have your receipt. You have a week post with the IBOTTA app to apply for the rebate. So hopefully you hung on to your receipt for dear life and you photograph it right away because this is just absolutely tremendous. So we're going to look at the deal as well if you didn't do it, but I think most of you probably are very familiar and versed with this because it's been happening for the last 2 weeks. But just to show you, this is $2 back for either the 20 to 22 fluid ounce Dove body wash. So there it is. And you could do it up to 5 times. As I have that receipt that I did it twice on Sunday, I got my $4 back. Alternatively, if you are all about the bar soap life, you're going to get $1 back for the 6 count or larger. So it makes it a little better deal with the IBOTTA rebate. Okay, and for those of you that are like, well, I just don't see it, if you just scroll down a little bit, you're going to see, oh, there it is. It is the 3rd store for me. So definitely I would photograph your receipt right away to get your cash back. And if this resets again within 24 hours of when you first submitted your receipt, I did the deal twice. I mean, potentially I'm going to get $8 back. And just to let you guys know, opening up my IBOTTA right now in real time, and I got my cash back. You got cash. Isn't that nice? So I'm going to jog through this deal really quickly with the bar soap or alternatively the body wash if you did not do it at Walgreens, and like how to do it and how much better this gets with the digital coupon, the weekly promotion, Fetch Rewards, and IBOTTA. So, whoa, take a breath. This is fantastic. Okay, friends, so if you didn't do these deals, we're just going to jog through them. So we're going to be grabbing 2 of the white or the ladies Dove body wash priced at $7. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 7 off of 2. And it is attaching to those beautiful body washes. Fetch Rewards is giving back 1,500 points for each body wash. And this morning, I just went and checked before I recorded this video. It's still live in the gallery. And then IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each body wash. For both Fetch and IBOTTA, double, triple check that the rebates are still live before you make your purchase because you don't want to buy something and the rebate is gone, gone, gone. So looking at the math for this, 2 of the Dove body washes is 14. Subtracting that 7 off 2 digital, you're going to pay 7 out of pocket. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash for the weekly promotion. 3,000 points back from Fetch. And then $4 back from IBOTTA, $2 for each, making this free plus a $4 moneymaker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. For those of you that did the deal earlier in the week, yes, you can still get that $4 back from the IBOTTA app. You have up to a week post as said earlier. So $4 this morning, that's a great morning. This next deal, we're going to grab 2 boxes of the Dove bar soap and get the white ones. Don't get the men's because the men is excluded from the Fetch Rewards app rebate. So that's kind of goofy. But they're $9 a pop. So for 2 of them, that's $18 on the nose. Load this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2, in case you've already used your 7 off 2. It's just an alternative deal. Over on the Fetch Rewards app, if you have the same rebate as you're getting back 1,500 points for the purchase of each Dove bar soap. That's $3 back. And IBOTTA is giving back $1. So that's $2 back from IBOTTA. Looking at the math for this, 2 boxes of the bar soap is $18 on the nose at $9 a pop. Subtracting that 5 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $13. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash for buying 2, which is a weekly promotion. 3,000 points back from the Fetch app. $2 back from IBOTTA. Final price point here is $4 for the 2 or $2 per 6-pack of the Dove bar soap. I know a lot of you love bar soap. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn it. Guys, move on this right away. Photograph those receipts. This is a little Wednesday surprise, some extra cash in your pockets. I know a lot of you have already done the deals. Make it so.